Welcome back to another video. Today's video is just a quick spring cleaning video, kitchen edition. Now the first thing I'm doing is taking everything out of the drawers so I can clean inside them. Next, I'm using my vacuum's hose attachment to get in all the corners to get all the crumbs out of the drawers. Next, I took a rag and some all-purpose cleaner to clean inside. Then I also used that cleaner to clean the front of the drawers. I also used that cleaner to clean the top of the counter and also the backsplash, and I had to move the microwave out of the way so I could get both sides of the countertop. On to the next section of drawers. These cupboards are used for cooking pans and plates and stuff that we use for decorating cookies and stuff when we bake. So this little cupboard here is for all of our dog supplies. We do have 3 dogs, so we keep extra leashes, collars, and their sweaters. They are short-haired dogs, so they get cold easy, so we definitely needed a place to keep their sweaters and all their supplies. It's a good thing that I was doing a deep clean of this cupboard because I did find 2 things of expired food. Somehow they got lodged up in the sliding tracks, so when the doors slide out, it somehow got stuck up in there. So of course, those got thrown away. After I vacuumed all the drawers out, I went through and used the all-purpose cleaner to clean these out too. And here comes my youngest son to come to see what I'm doing. So now it's time for me to put everything back in the cupboards. And of course, here comes my youngest puppy, Snoopy. She's just coming over to see what I'm doing and say hello. There she is. So now it's time to clean out the 3 drawers that hold all of our silverware, our plastic cooking utensils, and all of our measuring cups and spoons. So after I cleaned out the drawers, I also did the countertop and the backsplash. I also did clean out the cupboards up top. That holds our food and our plates and stuff. I didn't record that stuff because I had to stand on a chair, and I was also balancing my vacuum, and I was focusing on not falling off the chair. And it was just awkward the way I had to keep getting my vacuum hose up there, so I didn't record any of that, but it did get done. Thank you so much for watching our spring cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mayhem and Family Fun. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!